That's a lot. Down here too. You gotta get all that out.
Should smelt it down.
It's copper.
Grass. Yo, what's going on? I broke my car again. This time Jose says I broke all my bearings. He's working on it. Get the engine open. Put some new rotors on. And some fender liners. Now he's checking the last bearing.
No, I'm putting the third set in.
Oh, you're putting the third set in?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know what I'm talking about.
You gonna put this on YouTube?
Yep.
Everybody's gonna talk that the whole engine's not getting cleaned out. We know.
Engine's not getting cleaned out.
There's still metal in it. Yep, we know. We know. Talk the spec. Still spinning. Yep, that was backwards. Let me get to the last one.
Is that a regulation hammer?
This is actually a factory tool. Let's see how these ones are. No bearing on it. Oh boy.
Huh?
I said the bearing's not on the thing. Uh-oh. What we got? Oh, we got one piece. Only got two pieces, but they're not that great, but Jesus. At least they're not split in half. The crank looks fine, that's all that matters. The crankshaft is fine. Fresh set. New ridge. What? You're being difficult. Oh.